At this time, let's go ahead and look at the Settings tab. Click on from the Imagine Mobile Church dashboard, Settings here in the top menu. Once you do that, you're going to see 5 different tabs. Let's go ahead and start with the first tab, which is the Settings tab. Here is where you would enter the organization's name or the church name in this case. Here we have Church Demo Website. If you have a logo like the one we did here, all you would need to do is upload the logo, make sure the dimensions are 274 by 80 pixels maximum, and change the image and then upload it, and it'll show up as ours does on the main dashboard. Now, the email notification really has to do with training and how often do you want to be reminded of training. So that could be never daily, weekly reminders that go out. That's up to you. The tax ID, it's not required, but if you would like your tax ID to come out on the statement summary reports, these are the reports that are required by the government every year for tax purposes. Then all you would do is put your tax ID here. The credit card details, this pertains to payments and things that are related to PayPal and also Vanco. If you have Vanco and you want to make payments through Vanco and accept payments through Vanco, then this is one of the things you have to do. If it's PayPal, then you can accept payments through PayPal through these credentials here. Once you fill out that information, you click Submit, and it's automatically saved in the system. If you decide to go with the MailChimp email service and the Mandrill email service, here is where we would copy and paste your MailChimp API key. Regarding the MailChimp API key, you may decide to go with Mailgun. Mailgun is someone who we're also using at this time, but either way, you can go with Mandrill or MailChimp or Mailgun, or you can just use the Imagine Mobile Church server. The advantage of using Mailgun or Mandrill is that you get real-time reports as they are sent on a weekly basis, but you can also customize and view other types of reports. Here's where we would put the Mandrill username for your emails, the Mandrill API key. These are things that we would do. We would copy and paste these from your account, and the Mailgun domain name. So these are some of the basic features here along with the password. Now, if you're going to be using the Twilio text messaging solution, here's where we would put your inbound number. There's a Twilio account SID that we would take care of for you, getting that information, the token, copying that information here. So these are all unique numbers. Then you have up to 2 additional numbers with Twilio. So one would be for outbound, the second would be for outbound, the third would even be for outbound. Because regarding text messaging, you want to have as many numbers on the outgoing as possible to avoid some of your messages from getting flagged or knocked down by the carriers, which right now they're still working on some standardization policies. GoodHire API, if you want to take advantage of our background check module, we're also going to be introducing other background check solutions in the near future. This is one of them. This is where we would put your API key. The webhook URL, this has to do with the GoodHire API. You don't have to worry about that. This shows up automatically. And then the Zoho token, this is if you want to manage your vendors. You can enter your Zoho token information here. Again, we would take care of that for you. And then your unique public calendar name. This is the extension that goes on your public calendar. As you can see here, Church Demo Website. So this would be your external calendar link that you or your web developer could copy and paste on your church website. And then of course you have the donation link. You can make donations from inside the software, or we can give you the information to paste links outside your software. And also partnering with Vanco payment systems, you can have all your giving done by your mobile phone or any website access system. So that's all for this part, the settings. Let's move on to transactions.